Hey, it's Mike. So, after you've rescued your pick from your acoustic guitar, here's another little pick technique. You want to go from picking to fingerstyle. You don't have to put your pick on the table or on your lap, or you don't have to. Slide it in between those two joints there on the good finger. And squeeze. Adjust to taste. And now you can go picking. Right back to picking. The exercise would be to glide your pick around your hand a little bit like that. You see that? See that? Rest it right in there, right in there. And there you go. There it is. Hope that helps. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.